All right. Hey, y'all. So I'm just going to give y'all a quick overview on how to do the Phet lab. I think this is, nope, no, this is it. Give me a second. So as you know, go into modules, week 511 to 510, Tuesday, Wednesday. Just click the link, but this is the one we're using. So I'm just going to download that and open it up on my computer. So this is what you should see. If you have a computer available, you can type your answers in or create the bar graphs inside Word, or you can just do it on a sheet of paper. You don't have to write down the questions. So we're just going to play around in the Phet lab. So you can go to the introduction, you can have it on water. Let's set it to strong acid, strong base, weak base. You can check the pH of those. So water should be 7, and you can see the pH of all that. You're seeing molecules. You can switch to a graph. You can also do the litmus paper. So once you stick it in, it'll go to a color, and you match that color on the scale to see what the pH is. So that's for a strong base, and it's on the right side, so that does indicate that it is extremely basic solution. And then you have a light bulb. So just play around with that, and then you can go to my solution. You can go to my solution, and then it's there. You can do the same thing. You can change the concentrations. You can make it strong, you can make it weak, stronger, weaker, solvent. So you can see the solvent, the graph, you can hide it. Same thing, the litmus paper. So stick it in and you can match that to whichever one it is. All right, so see, I changed it to a stronger, and it's an acid, so it should be 0. So it does match that one. Okay, so if I wanted to change it to base, it would be that. And then as always, you can always reset it. So going through the Word document, so you're investigating concentration. So you're in the custom solution tab. So that's this tab. So my solution is the tab you want to be in. And then you're drawing bar graphs for the initial and equilibrium concentrations. You don't need a calculator, just try the concentration. Make sure you label your graphs. So that's for a strong acid. The next one is a weak acid. You're doing the same thing but for a weak acid. And then you're just answering these few questions, and that's all you have to do. So if you're writing it on a sheet of paper, just take a picture of the paper and upload it, and I'll go through it. Lastly, Monday's assignment, the discussion is a graded assignment. Okay, and so is Friday's assignment. I didn't give you anything for Thursday, but if you have not turned in one of the graded assignments, turn those in. You can check on Skyward on a computer to see where you stand, okay? So that's all I really have for you today. So have a good rest of your week. I'll have my office hours again on Friday.